what the thing that they okay to do occasionally, but definitely not okay to do every day. Okay, what is the thing that you wanted to do, like you do occasionally but every day won't, like you shouldn't supposed to do? What are those? Alcohol. Yeah. Do I like alcohol? uh I didn't really like alcohol that much. Okay. I like the moment that created after consuming the alcohol, or after like a people, or after the, like basically one of my friend or most of the friend are actually like, what I'm trying to tell you is that ki I just love the alcohol creates a moment, and that moment was kind of like a something really extraordinary, and I won't be able to forget that. It's kind of like a something really that it's one of the priceless. Like basically is this thing, I usually prefer to get moment after consuming alcohol. Okay. मोमेंट का मतलब ये लाइक बेसिकली दिस थिंग कि चलो मैंने दारू पी ली, फिर दारू पीने के बाद थोड़ा सा नशा सा आ गया। ओके, एक पैक मुझे लाइक बेसिकली इट टुक मी फॉर वन पैक टू जस्ट गेट unconscious, and that is kind of like a something limit for me. Okay, but usually I take alcohol with all my friends. Okay, मैं अकेले तो कभी लेता नहीं। ओके, मैं दोस्तों के साथ ही लेता हूँ। ओके, and when we do such thing like that, it's became something really even more crazier. Yeah, I still remember the day that we consumed first time alcohol, and it was really horrific experience. Okay, but I really love it that moment, and I might not forget in the entire life. All right. Yeah, so these are kind of like a things, alcohol. Okay. Then another thing is masturbation. Yes, occasionally or kind of like a something really that key once in a week if you are doing this thing. Okay, but if you are doing this thing every day, then that is really not good, because obviously it's a masturbation contains so much valuable sperm, and that sperm takes too much time to produce inside your body. So obviously doing this every day, it's not really good. If you are doing this, just try to prevent yourself. Take little step, like first of all take 2 days of gap, then 3 days of gap, then 5 days of gap, then 7 days of gap. Okay, like I usually prefer once in a week. Okay, I'm not actually say that ki you should supposed to be do no fap. No, it's not. That like doing this masturbation is also kind of like a human necessity as compared to male perspective. Okay, so usually once in a week, that is okay. Every day, that is really not good. Then I'm gonna say meat, mutton, chicken. Okay, occasionally once in a week or once in a month, or maybe like basically chicken is good, is great. It contains so much amount of protein, starch, and everything. But if you are doing this thing every day, that is also not good. Okay, you should supposed to be include your diet as a kind of like a vegetable and this like that. Meat is also really essential, but every day is really not that good. Okay, it has also kind of like a some sort of disadvantage. All right, so yeah. Then another thing is a medicine. Yes, like I don't know, like I seen some of the people who actually like medicine a lot. medicine a lot, yeah. Like उन लोगों को नहीं का hospital and medicine, like basically those people are actually meant to be think like that na, कि like basically whatever the problem that we have regarding about the health, medicine can solve everything. That is really not that true. Medicine is a kind of like a something really a part of making you kind of like a something really good. But there are another thing, your diet, exercise, your happiness, those are actually contribute a lot regarding about how is your health. If you are not really focused on diet, exercise, or your happiness, you are actually sad and everything, then probably the medicine won't be able to do anything at all. Medicine include medicine, operation, everything that. Yeah, so basically this thing, if you wanted to kind of like a be occasionally means like if you wanted to take medicine, or if you like a like basically is this thing ki hospital and everything, just try to, like if you have a kind of like a necessity, then you should go to that. But first of all is that ki whatever the person that you are, if you like, I'm not kind of like a something really a person that should supposed to give you a kind of like a medical advice. But trust me, just like that, trust your body and trust your instinct, and whatever the right feels you, you should supposed to go that. Okay, I'm usually that kind of like a person that कि अगर मुझे बीमारी होती है या अगर मैं like I usually मैं सोचता हूँ ना कि मैं साल में सिर्फ एक ही बार अस्पताल जाऊँगा. Okay, अस्पताल मीन्स लाइक एक ही बार मीन्स लाइक दैट कि like if I have such kind of like a something disease, then I would have to go only one time in a year. ओके, यूजुअली मैं प्रेफर करता हूँ मेरी डाइट, मेरे एक्सरसाइज, मेरा हैप्पीनेस एंड एवरीथिंग. अगर ये सब कुछ ठीक है, आई डोंट रियली नीड दैट काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग मेडिसिन. एंड आई डू दो एक्सरसाइज, आई डू काइंड ऑफ लाइक डू डाइट. मेरा ऐसा कोई डाइट ऐसा अनहेल्दी डाइट नहीं, आई हैव वेरी प्रॉपर डाइट and usually I take care of myself. Okay, so usually I will not spend that much amount of money on medicine and things like that, and I am really not that prefer to do such thing like that. ओके, मैं चाहता भी नहीं कि मैं मेडिसिन में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खर्चा करूँ वगैरह वगैरह. नो, इट्स नॉट. So these are kind of like a things that occasionally if you are doing this thing, okay, every day, that is not good. Next question.